Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
पड़ेगा इसमें क्या dia formagenya mati doang juga itu sama
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
That day we did letters to place orders. Today we are going to do something new. So first I'll explain, then you'll write today. This heading we will put today, complaint letter. Understand this. Placing orders is done. Now we'll complain. Your current sports captain, this school, you placed an order with this company. On receiving the goods, you found that some items were missing and some were defective. So you have to write a letter of complaint. In such cases, if the items are less or the items are defective, which kind of letter is written?
Complaint letter.
You've already placed an order and the order is received also, but the things are not good. So you need to write to the company that this is a letter of complaint. Same pattern chalega bacha, there would be no change. Sender's address, if you can see. It was mentioned that you are from which school? Don Bosco School, New Delhi. So the name of the school, the city, I have already told you how to write. School, Delhi, pin code. And no need to write like this capital, this, no need to write. This is done like 25th November. There should be a comma, you know now. Everybody knows how to write the date.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is wrong.
ma'am.
This is wrong. So you write it yourself. Here again, there is no need to write like this. Only L and S should be capital. And we are writing to this company, London Sports Merit. So this will be here. Subject will be goods received defective plus less in number. Now, this written sirs, please do not write sirs. Just write dear sir. That's okay. Dear sir or sir, we are your old and regular customers. We had placed a bulk order of sports goods with your firm. I'll tell you some changes which have to be done. Okay, on, you will put the date here. We had placed a bulk order of sports goods with your firm dated so and so. You will give the date when you get the order. Okay, beta? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sure,
We
ma'am.
received, then you'll write, we received the goods on, please mention the date. Supposing you ordered on 3rd, you got the order on 10th. So please mention the dates. This letter is not a proper business letter. We are your old and regular customers. We had placed a bulk order, letter dated so and so. You can mention here. We have received the goods on so and so date, but unfortunately, we found that some goods were missing and some were defective. Full stop. We found that the cricket kits were neither complete nor of the desired quality. So tell what is missing and what you're not satisfied with. Then the next paragraph. Since your firm is a very well reputed firm, such a lapse is hard to digest. Okay? Your reputation too is at stake. It is therefore hoped that you will look into the matter and do the needful at your earliest. We are sorry that we are compelled to delay the payment. Okay? We are not paying as of now for other things also. Yours faithfully, who was writing over here? Karan Oberoi, if you can see. Yours faithfully, Karan Oberoi. His designation is he is the school sports captain. You will not write the name of the school here. This full stop will also not come. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are some
Yes, ma'am.
changes that have to be done. Don Bosco School, New Delhi, the pin code will be there. No need to write New Delhi in capital letters. Write the school like this. This is correct. Can you see Don Bosco? D and B is capital over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, here also N and D is capital. So this is the right way of writing it. Write it like this. Date, you know how to write. Many times I've done. This is Messrs. The name was given of the company. Messrs. London Sports. No need to write it like this. Meerut. Pin code can be taken. Subject is given. Sirs is not to be written. Just dear sir. No comma. Then this part, this part, this part. Yours faithfully, no full stop. Karan Oberoi, the designation is sports captain. No need to mention the name of the school. Please open your notebooks. Put on the heading complaint letter. The box has to be made. Yes, Peter. Put on
Subject
today.
we need to write in the middle.
Subject is almost in the center only. They've tried to write. You can shift it a little more this side. That's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So the heading would be what for today? We will not write the question. We'll just write complaint letter. Okay, start writing immediately because this is the first one we are doing. So you can see and write. Of course, you can make certain changes on your own as well. I don't want that you should copy it as it is. If you want to make some change, you can do that. Beta, are you people confident writing letters to place orders?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. How many letters have you already written in your notebook for letters placing orders?
Ma'am, 3.
3 have you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But what I'm trying to say is you are confident, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. 3 types of letters are there: placing orders, complaint, and cancellation. What are the 3 types of orders?
Complaint.
Placing order, complaint, and cancellation.
The first type you are confident, the second type we have started today.
Ma'am, I have 4.
You've written the complete letter.
No, ma'am, just till dear sir.
No, beta. You have to write the entire letter. Anyways, you've posted till here. I'll check till here. Now you completed, beta. In parts we write when I'll give you a topic to write. Whoever finishes writing and is posting, please let me know. Whoever finishes, let me know when you post, beta.
Ma'am, completed.
Beta, post on the group. I'll go through it. Post on the group. No one
Ma'am,
else is till now? I'm checking. Akshita has posted till there only. Yes, Akshita, now she has posted the rest of the part also. Very good. Whose is this, Peter? Okay. Last one is whose? Please write your names. Devansh. Okay, this is Devansh, Akshita. And whose is this, Bache? Ayush. Okay, good. Always write your names. Then only your presence will be marked. Beta, the pin code is not written for Meerut. Ayush?
Okay, ma'am, I will write.
Yes, beta, right. And there are 6 digits in the pin code. Akshada?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you have written 143XX. Put one more X over there. There are 6 digits.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
similarly 183XXX. The rest is fine. Let me check this one. Again, Meerut pin code Ayush is writing only. Now, let me check the matter. What about others, children? Hurry up, please.
Ma'am, we can write imaginary pin codes.
Yes, beta. Obviously, we cannot remember the pin code of every city. So write anything first 3 digits and then XXX. Read beta? I mean, you've written or not? Still waiting. Ananya, have you finished writing? Anya, sorry, Anya Gupta.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sending in 2 minutes.
Okay, Agrim,
Yes, ma'am.
post soon, beta. Akansha,
Yes, ma'am. Posting.
Deepshikha,
Ma'am, doing.
hurry up, beta. Dhananjay, we are waiting for you people only. Then I'll want to
Ma'am, I
something
have
like that.
posted.
Okay, let me check Faiz.
Yes, ma'am. Just posting.
Okay, Kavya, Kavya. Beta, I will not mark anyone present until your work comes on the group. What is the point of having like this, being in the class like this? Kavya, good morning. Khushbu? Khushbu Singh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Posting the letter.
Okay, please do it quickly. Mehak,
Yes, ma'am. Posting.
Nikhil,
I'm posting 2 minutes.
good. Priyanshu,
Ma'am, just sending.
okay dear, okay. Ramsha,
Ma'am, I have posted.
fine, I'll go back on the group now. Dhruv Sharma, Dhruv Sharma, Abhinav Pandey, Abhinav Pandey, okay, Ramsha has posted. I'm just checking. Who's is this? Dhananjay has posted. Kavya has also posted. Good. Khushbu has also posted. Good, good. What are the others doing? Hurry up, betas. We are all waiting for you people only. So you've done the desired changes which I told you are already done. I told you that we need to do certain changes which we have already done. We should not copy it as it is. I hope the date is written correctly. You're writing correctly. All those who posted on the group, I'm checking. Which kind of a letter is this?
I'm complaint writer.
Don't write, just read this. Write a letter to Mrs. Bhalla Sports Patiala complaining about the tracksuit supplied by them. Give all the required information. Read this letter. Don't write anything. Now they've told you exactly the complaint is for what item. What item are they complaining about?
Supply of defective tracksuits.
Ma'am,
Very
I have
good.
posted.
Okay, let me check. Good, good.
Ma'am, I have also posted.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
beta.
also have posted.
Good, very good. Today your class, the number of students is also good. And everybody has almost posted their work except for 1 or 2 children. Only 2 people who are not responding. Rest everybody is responding. Very good. After you people post this, beta, just read what I shared on the screen. We still have about 4 minutes for the class 2K. The class finishes at 8:50 now.
Yes, ma'am.
So we still have 4 minutes. We'll not be able to write, but certainly we'll be able to read and get an idea of what is there.
Ma'am, done.
Okay,
Ma'am,
beta.
posted.
Very good. I'm counting only how many students have posted and how many are there in the meeting. That's what exactly I'm doing.
Ma'am, I'm
Then-
also posting in 2 minutes.
Okay, dear. Okay. Your class 10 students, beta, don't be careless in your work. If you'll write once, you'll always remember. Who is writing a letter of complaint? The one which is shared on your screen. Who is writing the letter?
Ma'am, OP Sharma.
Yes, very good. What is his designation? Who is OP Sharma?
Ma'am,
Is it
PT.
mentioned?
Ma'am, he is
PT.
PT teacher.
Physical trainer,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is sports teacher. Okay, very good. This is the sports teacher, that is PT. PT means the physical trainer. So we have this. And what is he complaining for?
And the tracksuit which he ordered
Tracksuit.
was defective.
Very good. The tracksuits which were ordered were defective. One of you please read out loudly.
And can I?
Yes.
Patiala, 10 November 2019. Miss Bhalla Sports Patiala. Dear Sir, subject supply of defective tracksuits. We placed a bulk order with your. Ma'am, what's this written? Prestigious sports company for tracksuits size 30 to 40. We received them well in time, but on opening them, we found certain defects with them. First of all, the material is inferior to that of the sample supplied. The size too are not proper. So we are sending the whole carton back. Kindly replace them with the desired quality. We were disheartened at this mishap. Being very old customers, we expected better quality. Kindly do the needful at your earliest and eliminate our inconvenience. Yours sincerely, OP Sharma PT.
Good, beta. You can actually frame your own language also. Again and again, I say that it is not compulsory. It is not mandatory that you have to use this language only. But since we are doing it for the first time, that is why I'm saying that you should get an idea of what it is. Otherwise, it's not that you have to use the same language. Nothing like this. Is it okay for all?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have to use the same language. We can frame our own sentences. We can have our own language as well. But here we had a very specific thing that yes, we have to write a letter complaining for tracksuits. This is what it was. Similarly, you will have different letters where you'll have to complain for certain things. This is one of them. This is how we will do. Those who have posted can
Ma'am, I have
leave.
posted.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
very
have
good.
posted.
Very good. I'm checking only. It's your break time now. It's already 50. You can leave the meeting. You can take a break of 15 minutes, children. Let's meet on the next class. I think we have a next class on Thursday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Very good. We'll continue with our same topic. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let's meet next week. God bless you all. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me check. If there's anyone who's not posted, please post on the group. I'm counting and I'm putting a tick in front of your names. Please hurry up. Waiting.